Curious about high blood sugar signs? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Millions worldwide have diabetes. When glucose spikes in your body, it can cause organ and nerve damage. Before a diabetes diagnosis, your body may show symptoms of increased blood sugar, known as hyperglycemia. Watch this video to learn about early signs and natural ways to control it. 1. More urination. High blood sugar leads to increased urine production, potentially causing frequent urination and a higher risk of urinary tract infections. 2. Trouble focusing. Elevated blood sugar affects cognitive function, resulting in difficulty concentrating on tasks and experiencing brain fog. 3. Blurred vision. When there is more sugar in the bloodstream, it affects the eyes. The studies have revealed that excess sugar or glucose stuck in the eye's lenses causes blurred vision. Don't just rush for eyeglasses or lenses, moreover, you must notice the spike in blood sugar levels. The long-term effect can damage the vision, so don't ignore the sign. 4. Dehydration. If the blood sugar level gets to a high stage, you feel dehydrated as your skin gets more dry and pale and looks rough. Even if you are drinking enough water, frequent urination makes your mouth dry and urges you to drink more water. 5. Fatigue. Feeling tired? High blood sugar might be the cause. Even a heavy carb meal can leave you feeling exhausted. If fatigue persists, seek expert advice. 6. Impotence. Hyperglycemia or high blood sugar influences sexual activities, and you don't feel much interest or such satisfaction during intercourse. Hyperglycemia affects erectile dysfunction and nerves that cause impotence. 7. Itchiness. When blood circulation gets affected due to high blood sugar levels, it causes itchy and dry skin, especially in the lower parts of the body. The long-term effect may appear as brown or red patches on the skin, and doctor advice becomes necessary. 8. Disturbed stomach. If you notice constant diarrhea and other stomach issues like bloating, nausea, pain, and inflammation in the stomach and vomiting, it may be a symptom of a high blood sugar level. 9. Slow healing cuts. If you notice that even the tiny cuts and bruises take enough time than normal while healing, it may be a prior sign of a misbalanced blood sugar level. It affects the nerves and blood circulation, so the repairman process gets disturbed, and the wound heals slowly and sometimes becomes a serious issue. 10. Headache. You may feel lightheadedness if the blood sugar level has spiked up as it affects the nerves in the brain, and poor circulation is the other reason. 11. Palpitations. High glycemic foods exacerbate palpitations in diabetes. Rapid blood sugar spikes cause increased heart rate and palpitations. Monitoring diet for stable blood sugar levels is vital. Opt for foods that aid glucose regulation to prevent complications. How to control high blood sugar levels at home. 1. Cut down carbs. You must cut out the rich in carbohydrates, for instance, pasta, potato, rice, bread, etc. Switch to more veggies and fruit and take more protein than carbs. 2. Exercise. People with hyperglycemia should never stay still, and they must add light exercise to their routine. Even regular walking would also help. 3. Drink more liquid. Drink enough water and consume such beverages without sweeteners. Many types of herbal teas can help you out. 4. Take enough sleep. The studies show that lack of sleep raises the chances of hyperglycemia. Take proper rest, and if you have any trouble, listening to music and exercise can solve the problem. Avoid sleeping pills. 5. Supplements can help. Many supplements made of natural ingredients can down blood sugar levels. It would help if you didn't skip your regular supplement. 6. Reduce stress. Excess stress is never good, so try to calm yourself and do breathing exercises to relax and reduce stress.